It's an adventure pinball game, roguelike elements involved with it. Very simple and easy to pick up, but very fun. Lots of different abilities and power-ups. And yeah, it's just a really enjoyable, casual game. We're 3 people. So we have an artist, we have a sound person, and we have our main developer. And we're based out of Vancouver and Edmonton. Unity 6.3 LTS. We're on Steam. You can wishlist it on Steam.